the old truck out jetting today. First jet of the year so far. Pretty good. Oh, she's doing good now.
Wouldn't it be better to put a screen? One to put something on the screen?
Yeah. I always remember where I am on working jobs. Yep, she's starting to move. There she goes.
Okay, we got carport wash drains here. This is the main one that's used. Jetted. Probably heading down. Might be bypassing off here. Maintenance room. Did the work in there. Comes over here. That pit is down too. That is running in that direction this way. So that must pick up the repair shop and then across. And over towards the office doors. Oh yeah, I smell that. Here, and then out that way towards the street, probably about 200 feet. Oh, we got all those running. We're keeping New Hampshire flowing. That. Coming back the other direction. A lot of sand buildup. No. So our jet came out from underneath that door, across the parking lot here, and then it ties in somewhere in the city sewer out that way. So about 200 feet there, going back into the building where the cones are, and the video is the rest. Well, we got that drain done. Got to bring out the old van. So with all its repairs and everything done, it ran really good. So it's nice to get out there and get some hydro jetting done. Beautiful day today. So nice to have spring and everything coming back. And to be able to jet in the warm weather, so much better than in the freezing cold. But do we jet a lot? No, believe it or not, we don't jet a lot up here. It is not a lot of commercial, not a lot of industrial up here, a lot of residential homes. So we don't get a lot of the jet jobs, which is surprising, but you know, it is what it is, and you deal with whatever kind of services that you have when you do your work, and that's why we carry multiple tools to get multiple jobs done, just to keep New Hampshire flowing. It was nice. To get to run, where are you? There we are. To get to run the jetter again. Always a pleasure. On that one, didn't camera those drains. We had about 370, 400 feet of jetting that we did inside that one. It's the wash bays where they wash all their vehicles and everything. So I don't know what kind of caustic or hazardous things that might have been down there that could possibly destroy a camera. And I don't feel like spending $10,000 plus on another one, or thousands of dollars on repairs if they use any kind of caustic solutions or anything to break anything down that could damage the connections to the camera or itself, you know, anything inside there, you know, eat away at the head, the seals, or anything like that. So now everything's running good. Ran my nozzles down there clean as a whistle. Everything's running good. So catch you on the next call. We keep New Hampshire flowing. Like and subscribe.